If you take a donut and a zombie and you mix these two together, you will get a zombie donut. And that is exactly what Debbie did for today's face paint tutorial. This is her zombie donut face paint, and if you want to know how she has created it, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in this video. With a black pencil liner by Meron, Debbie is first sketching out what needs to go where on this face paint. So this is a rough sketch of her zombie donut, and just to help her make it easier to put the colors on in a bit. And once the sketch is complete, we can put some color on the skin. So this one is a light blue by Diamond Effects. Once the first layer of the frosting of the donut is on the skin, Debbie continues to the dough part of the donut, and that is done with a light orange color by Superstar. This is number 104. It is called Peach, and it is the perfect color for this zombie donut. A bit of shadow on the edge of the donut with some brown, also by Superstar. This is number 031. A bit of blue eyeshadow powder to put some shadows on the frosting of our donut. This is done with a small blending brush. And when we have shadows, we of course also need highlights. And Debbie is putting these on her skin with Fantasy Effects in White by Meron. And as you can see, the shadows and the highlights together really make that frosting pop from the skin. Now the dough and defrosting of our zombie donut are kind of done. It is time to move on to the sprinkles. So Debbie chose to put a few different colors in the makeup as the sprinkles to make it a bit more interesting to watch. So you will see some light green by Superstar, a neon UV yellow, but also a neon UV pink by Diamond FX, and a dark purple color which is called Purple Rain by Superstar. And as you can see, it creates a very colorful mix of colors on the skin. Time to continue to the neck, which of course also is frosting for our zombie donut. So this pink is light pink by Diamond FX. And this is a red star blend by Meron to put some shadows in that frosting. Once all the shadows are on there, we also have some sprinkles in the neck. They are colored with colors by Diamond FX once again. This one is UV yellow, but you will also see some blue, green and orange on the skin. The second layer of frosting is done with a color by Superstar. This one is 112 and it is a light blue color by Superstar. And once everything is light blue, here is a purple star blend by Meron to put some shadows on that light blue face paint. Time to put some highlights in, and this is once again done with the Fantasy FX in White by Meron. This is a product that Debbie uses a lot to put highlights in because it is very soft and blendable. It's easy to work with, especially for shadows and blending on the skin. A few details with a black face paint on a very small brush. This is black by Diamond FX and the brush is one of the Meron Paradise brushes. To put a little bit of bling over this face paint, here is some glitter glue by Benai. So this is wonderful glue. You can apply it directly over face paints without smudging it, and you can easily glue your glitter over it. So that was a little star, and here is just some loose glitter to help bling the zombie donut up a bit. And that is all for our zombie donut face paint tutorial for today. We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.